Good morning, good morning. It's Made Easy Monday. How is everyone today? Just making sure that we are on here. If you're here live with us, say hello, put a comment. If you're watching the replay, I love to go back and read the comments after as well. Okay, I think we are live. So we are doing Made Easy Monday today with another one of our fabulous kit collections. And today's kit collection is the Saying Thanks kit. The Saying Thanks kit. So I thought I would just do the kit like from opening so you can see what comes in it. It's this beautiful kit. We're gonna make these cards. We'll probably just make one today, but I love them all because they're so bright and fun. If you're watching this during October of 2024, our kit collections are all on sale this month, and so this kit is only $10.40 with the sale. So it is a steal of a deal. I love all of the bright fun that comes with it. We get some white baker's twine, and we got some adhesives and some really cute flat embellishments. Look at the envelopes. Look at those bright colors. I love bright colors, so that's fun. We get our card bases and all of the punch outs that we need. So here's our different card bases. Isn't that one just so cute? We'll probably make that one right now. And then we get our fun punch outs, words, and our die cuts. So we've got all that, some cardboard that we can use for another project, and then of course our instruction sheet. So, oh, and it's card number 1. So I guess we'll just start there, huh? I love this base. I think it is just so fun. So let's clear some of this away. We'll grab our card base, and you'll just see how easy peasy these are. There's no stamping in this kit, so it's a really fast and easy. Anybody who's, getting started with paper crafting, this is a really good kit for that because it's really just putting those parts and pieces together. So we're gonna need You're the Best. So we're just gonna pop the You're the Best right out. So it's already die cut for you. You just punch it right out. We're gonna need the big thanks. And I love the font on this. It's like fun, bold cursive, right? So we need that, we need that. We of course need some adhesive, and let me just get this open. There, I couldn't find the end of it. Okay, so we've got our adhesives here, our foam adhesives. So there's like strips. They're already cut into strips for us, and you just peel them as you use them. And then look at these fun embellishments. So they're like iridescent and they're flat. So they're gonna mail real easy. And they're not gonna take too much room in our card, right? Okay, so, and we need our ribbon here. So this kit, we do need a pair of scissors, but the good thing is most of us already have that at home, right? So we're just gonna grab the end of this. It says we need, it even tells us how much we need. So about 9.5 inches. So I will just measure this down on my glass mat grid there. But what's nice is there is a ruler right along the edge of the instructions. So even if you didn't have a ruler, they give you one, right? So easy peasy. Okay, so we're gonna take our big thanks, and we're gonna put some of these foam adhesive strips on the back. So I'm just following the instructions here. And so step number 1 is to put these adhesive strips on the back of our big thanks. And we're gonna peel off the backs of those. And then we're gonna take our string here And look, it's just having us wrap this around. So I usually use my hand to do that. And we're just gonna take this and we're going to put this on the back here of our adhesive. So we can see that pretty string kind of right below that, right? Then we're just gonna stick this right onto our card. You can pull these if need be. And then we're gonna take our You're the Best, and we're gonna put one of those foams. See how easy those are? We're just gonna put one of those right on the back of our You're the Best. And we're gonna put this one just right under our thanks. So thanks, you're the best. How cute, huh? Then we're just gonna get our embellishments here, our fun embellishments, and we're gonna take those and it's gonna have us put 5. So we're just gonna put 5 of these. It says right here, we're gonna put 5 of those. So we're just gonna put these all around. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more here, maybe right there. So then that is our card. How easy is that, right? I love these quick and easy cards because especially with these kit collections and how easy they are, this makes a super great gift to give someone. It comes in the beautiful box. You can just put a bow around it or wrap it with some paper and it's a perfect gift. This could be your thank you to them, is giving them a box of thank yous, right? And they're just so beautiful. We always need thank you cards. So this is just a fun way to show on Made Easy Monday how simple and easy this saying thanks kit really is. And we've got the thank you, just wanted to say thank you, the I appreciate you, and the one we just made, thanks, you're the best. So happy Made Easy Monday, and I will see you guys soon for another quick and easy video.